In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from MT5 account. If you're new to MetaTrader 5, it's important to know that withdrawals are usually not processed directly inside the MT5 trading platform itself. In most cases, you'll need to go through your broker's official website or mobile trading app because that's where account funding and withdrawal requests are managed. To begin, visit your broker's official website or open your broker's trading app. Make sure you're using the correct and legitimate platform connected to your MT5 account. This is important for both security and accuracy, especially when dealing with financial transactions. Once you're there, sign into your personal client area or dashboard. This is the section where your trading accounts, balances, deposits, and withdrawals are normally managed. After logging in, take a moment to make sure you're in the right account profile if you have more than one. Next, look for an option labeled Funds, Wallet, or Withdraw Money. Different brokers use slightly different wording, but the goal is the same. You're looking for the area where you can move money out of your trading account. If the layout looks different from what you expected, check the main menu account section or finance tab. After that, choose your preferred payment option. Depending on your broker, this could be a bank transfer, card withdrawal, e-wallet, or another supported method. It's a good idea to select the method that is most convenient for you and also review any processing times or fees shown on the screen before continuing. Now select the specific MT5 account you want to withdraw from. This step matters if you have multiple live or demo accounts listed in your dashboard. Be careful to choose the correct live trading account, especially if your broker separates wallet balances from trading account balances. Then type in the exact amount you want to withdraw. Enter the amount carefully and double check it before moving on. Some brokers may have minimum withdrawal limits, available balance restrictions, or currency conversion details, so pay attention to any notices that appear during this step. Finally, confirm all the details and complete any required two-step verification. This may involve entering a one-time code sent to your device or approving the request through a security prompt. Before submitting, review the payment method, selected MT5 account, and withdrawal amount one last time to avoid delays or errors. Once everything is confirmed, submit your withdrawal request and wait for your broker to process it. Processing times can vary, so if the money doesn't arrive instantly, that may be completely normal. And that's how to withdraw money from your MT5 account.